any new topics into the course content. Okay, just let me know if you have any questions. Okay. Okay, try to put your name. Some random numbers are coming, so try to edit your that ID. Yeah, I think we can start the session today. So thanks, guys. Thanks for joining the today's session. Uh, and let me share my screen to you. I hope you are able to see my screen now. Okay, let me. Okay, today our session we are going to explain about discuss about the ServiceNow Pulsar development creation. So normally ServiceNow they are giving a developer instance for the practice purpose to explore the new options in the ServiceNow. So today we are going to discuss about that. So yeah, let me go to the site. The site name is developer.servicenow. If you type in the Google, you will get this link. Okay. So people are who are new to this site. So directly, if you have already account, it's okay. Directly, you can type the email ID and go to next. But who people are new to this site, you don't have the existing account. Just go to this, get a service no ID. So once you click on this, it will ask some few details like a first name, last name, and the email ID, country, password, and the confirm password. Once you click on this, then you will get an email notification to your Gmail. Okay, act for the activation. Once you are clicked on it, the account will be activated. Then you can come here directly. You can come here. You can type the whatever the email ID you have. The account is created. You can come here and you can click. You can give your email ID. Just click on the next and give your password. Whatever the password you have given, you can click on this. Click on sign in. So my personal developer instance is already created, but for you, you will not get this option. So let me sign out and log in into the another account. So which I don't have the account. Let me give me 1 minute. So this is my another Gmail ID, and for this account, I don't have the any personal developer instance. One minute. Okay, I will click on the forget password. Okay, let me reset the password here. If in future, if you have the same issue, you can also do the same, but you can forget the password. You will get an email to your email ID. Okay, let me get that email ID here. Yeah, I got it now. I'm just I'm just resetting my password. Just you can give the name like this and password, confirm password like this. You can create your account and you have to accept the conditions. Click on sign up. Okay, now Servicenow ID has been created for you with this email ID. The application requires to verify your email. So please check your email for the link to verify. So let me log in into my G. So here I got this email and you can click on this verify email to activate your ServiceNow account. Okay, you will get a message that he has been verified. Now you will be redirected to the ServiceNow developer site. Okay, this is message you will get once your account is activated. You can see that do you want do you do you code? Yes, I need a developer oriented IDE. I need a guided experience. So you have to select. So we are admin. You are going to practice the code also, right? So it is asking for yes. You can click on the next. Okay, and what best describes you for a job responsibility? So you can select developer, designer, IT admin, anything. Okay, and just click on finish setup. Okay, now once you are logged in your account, so now you can see start building, and here also you can see request instance. You can click either here or here. You can once you click on the request instance, you are processing your request. It will take you a few seconds. You will get this message. So they are going to 1 minute. They are going to create a one new instance for you. So this is, you can see the dev 272716.servicenow-now.com. So this will be your personal developer instance ID. Okay, this is they have created for you. Okay, this will be the unique ID for you. They can only, this is created for your Gmail account only. So others cannot access this URL. So you can see dev 272716. That is the unique number. After that, for everyone, the service-now.com is common for every user. Only this will be the unique. Okay. So, and this is the interface of the service now here we have. Okay, we'll come later. First we will go through this here, the whatever the options we have in developer.servicenow.com. Okay, once you have created your personal developer instance from with here, so then let me go some options available here. Okay, here we can see learn. So learn, people are who want to who learns by themselves, and you can see the some self-learning options here. Okay, you can click on the courses. Okay, if you click on the courses service now, they provide you some courses here. Okay, people are who are having some other so like other tools like a service no some IT support tools they have knowledge na. So if they want to learn by this course, they can go and they can step by step they can learn. Okay, from the basic level. Okay, and here learning plans are there. So here we have the titles like a citizen developer, new to service now. If you are new to service now, you can go through this site, and this you can go through these 14 modules here we have, and the service now administration course is available. So if people are who want to learn the from the scratch level, they can go through this they can go through these modules, and you can learn. But there is some experience is there. Okay, experience is required. Okay, and so here we have the certifications. So once you click on the certifications, so it will take you the service now learning site. Okay, so here ServiceNow, whatever the latest feature ServiceNow is providing to you, if you want to go through some there are some paid courses also available, there are some free courses are also available. So then you have to log in with your developer instance with here. Okay, once you click on the login, it will directly take to you to the same personal developer instance login. So it will asking for the some additional digit verification. Maybe I will receive an email. Yeah, here you can see I will receive an email. Okay, you can just click on here. So here you can see why ServiceNow and power of ServiceNow. Here are the some small topics are there you can learn. And here we have the popular and the new topics. So introduction to generative AI. People are who are already know the ServiceNow, and here we have the small courses are available. So you can learn them, and welcome to ServiceNow. You can start with this course, on demand course, and you can click on this go to course, and you can register and you can start learning about the service now with this all these videos. Okay, people who wants to learn the self learning, for this purpose ServiceNow is providing from some of the courses free, some of the courses paid. Okay, like this you can learn. Okay, let me go through the references. So for the scripting purpose and the product documentation purpose, everything we can learn from here. Okay, product documentation, it will show the document that knowledge, theoretical and documentation knowledge about this. 1 minute. Slowly. Okay, these are the latest versions in ServiceNow we have. Like last version, I mean ServiceNow follow the alphabetic order. Like it starts with the A. Now latest one is the Gen X. It's now latest one is the X. Before that, Washington and Wuta, Vancouver, and Washington. Now latest is the Janadu. My company is using Washington DC, and Janadu is initially what they do, so they release for the personal developer instance the latest version. Now production for the companies they did not release. Only the personal developer means who can practice that whatever the latest features are available in this. Okay, based on the version you can go to the latest version. Okay, yeah. Now and here we can, if you go to the connect, here we have the community. So this is the one of the great feature we have the ServiceNow is providing. So it's a community, like a in the community ServiceNow developers, all the product users, they will post their questions and answers. And if you have something issue which you are not able to find the solution, then what you do, you can come here and we can post your questions here. Okay, you can come here and you can post here, you can see the some, if you go down here. So these are the questions. So somebody is asking, and service contract and entity not automatically created. And some questions, if you have any questions now, you can post your questions here. Okay. So some who people are who I mean who have knowledge on the same topic, they will provide the answer to you. Okay. Let me show it to you. So see, the green mark means that answer is accepted by the person who has posted that question. So here you can see. So somebody, some Chuan, and he posted the question, and we here is the description is there. So you can click on this go to solution. Go to solution is this is the answer is accepted by him. Okay, and some discussion is happened in between them, and the final answer is accepted by the person who posted this question. So if you have the same question, if you have the same doubt, and you can follow the solution provided by the Sandeep Dutta. Okay, so like this we can follow this community site for the, it is like a forum for the where we can discuss the various topics and the questions and the latest features. Okay, and so these are the blogs and the share some projects, that custom projects, so ServiceNow, we can share it here. The if you developed something now, you can share the project here. People who are having the common requirement, they will use these projects. Okay, here you can see the most downloaded, highest rated. In upcoming classes, I will tell you how to use this them. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go to this. Here, okay, if you click on the here you can see the your instance details here, whatever the instance you have created here. So you can see the, let me close this other topics. Yeah, so you can see the all the in details of your instance. Here you can see online. Your if you green means your instance is online, and now you are able to access that instance. And you can see the version. I told you, right? Service noise follows the alphabetic order. Release now latest one is the Janadu. So you are created with the Janadu latest version. So and the user role. I mean, in every tool we have the some roles like admin or normal users. Now we have a admin role, so you can access the all the functionalities in the service now. Okay, and here we have the app engine studio, creator studio, and service note studio. These are the separate applications, so where you can develop the entire new applications. So these are already installed. I will cover these topics in the upcoming classes. What is this app engine studio, creator studio, and the service note studio? Okay, and let's come to the instance action topic. So here we have the activate plugin. So once you click on this, it will show the some plugins like in your mobile we have the app store or play store, right? So in the play store and whatever that new apps you want to install, what you do, you go and go to the store and you just search whatever that app is available, and you will can click on the activate them. So like this ServiceNow also by default they are giving some applications and as per the requirement. And even if you want to add more applications to be installed in your instance, so then what you do, you just search and you can activate this. So let me, if you want to install the discovery or event management. So what you do, you just click on the activate plugin and activate plugin with the demo data. So it will only, first one only activates the plugin. Activate plugin demo data means it will put some demo data to understand the how the records are gets created. Okay, always try to install with the demo data. If you don't want, then you can activate only plugin only. Okay, in personal developer, right, you can always activate with the demo data. But if you are working in an organization, so then you don't need the demo data, you just click on the plugin. Okay, like this we have the so many applications are available here. Okay, all these applications can be activated on demand whenever you have the requirement, then only. Because here we have the personal developer, we can activate. But when you are working in organization, you should not activate like this. You should take the permission from your high hierarchy, like account manager, because ServiceNow will charge if your customer is installed any application. If it is free, it's okay. If it is payable, then ServiceNow will charge. Now we are in personal developer instance, right? So then we don't need to worry, you just activate whatever as per your requirement. Okay, let's come to here, manage email properties. Okay, ServiceNow can send emails to users, and ServiceNow can receive also emails from the users. So by default, it is disabled. If you want to activate it, then you can click on this activate email sending and receive. First, we have to activate for the personal developer. But when you are working organization, by default, it will be activated. You don't need to activate these here. Okay, and let's talk about the release instance. Okay, whenever, if sometimes if you want to release the instance, means if you want to delete the instance from your account, you are did something and your instance is slow, you are frustrated. So what you do, you just want to create another one. Only service for one account, it will give the only one instance ID. So then what you do, you can remove this instance from your account, and then again you can create the one more after some time. Okay, you can click on the reason why you want to release this. I am no longer using my instance, I want to fresh instance with no data. So sometimes what after some you did some customizations and you want to remove them, then what you do, you just release your instance and you can select any one of the reason, it will release. So this instance will be released from your account. Okay, next one is the change user role. So as I told you, right, here we have the two roles. One is admin and one is the app engine studio. So by default, you have to select the admin only. You can access all the features available in the ServiceNow. Okay, and let's come to remove demo data. ServiceNow, they are giving some demo data to understand the functionality. So if you want to remove the demo data, you can come here and you can remove this. So let's say, okay, if I go to the incident table, so I will explain what is incident here in the. So you can see some, yeah, you can see some records are already created with this is we call a demo data. If you want to remove demo data from all the tables in the service now, just what you do, you can come and click here, you can select and you can click on the remove data. So it will remove all the transaction data. Okay, and here you can see reset and wipe instance. If you want to reset the entire to the out of the box means now today we create we service now is provided this instance where you did many customizations. If you want to remove all the customization and you want to keep this instance, okay, if you want to keep this instance with you and you want to reset all the settings you have done, okay, like our phone, right, if you want to reset, it will reset the entire data and it will remove the data, right, like in our phone, like in a laptop we reboot the entire laptop. So like this, if you want to reset your instance, then you can come and you can reset your instance here. And let's come to manage instance password. So this is yeah, our instance URL and admin. This would be the password. This is random generated. Okay, if you want to email this copy to your login credential, it will. Otherwise, if you want to reset the instance password, it will generate a new password. Okay, and let's come to upgrade instance. So ServiceNow, they're releasing the every year two versions. Like now we are in Janadu. Even in the Janadu version also, patch upgrades also done. So if they patch upgrade, they will fix. They will sometimes they will install the patch main, so they will fix some bug issues, small issues. They will release in a patch version. Okay, entire new version will come, but in that new version also, if you want to some in between, if you want to fix something, any bug issues, then you can ServiceNow will release. Now they are asking to upgrade it to the now we are just now we created, right? We already your version is Janadu patch 3 hotfix 1. Okay, we recommend upgrading to our latest version so that you get access to the latest features and functionality. Now it is the latest, but it is not allow me to access. Maybe once they release this, it will. So once you selected this here, you can select the upgrade instance. Your instance will be upgraded to the latest version. Okay, now let's go to view history. So whatever the activities you done, the password resets and plugin activations and instance resets, you don't now we don't have anything, right? But you can see whatever the instance activities you did here, you can see all them. Just now we created this instance, right? That is the reason we are not showing anything. And last one is the get instance help. So if you have some, if you want to raise some issues and if you want to report instance guide, you can click on this instance guide. It will show some documentation about your personal developer instance, how we create everything, and you can see this. Understanding the personal developer instance, here you can you can see the information about your PDF instance. Now I told you, right, all this everything you can see it here. Understanding the PDI, you can see all the information here. Okay, whatever I explained to you, you can see all of them here. Okay. So, and report a problem with your instance. So, if you have some issue with your problem, personal developer instance, you can report to the ServiceNow. ServiceNow can help you to that one. Okay. And get help community forums. So, here it is giving us a community forum. So, where you can ask the details, everything I told you, right? You can ask your questions, everything here. So, the persons who has the idea about your question, they will try to reply to your query. Okay. So this is all about your instance actions here. Okay. We already same options here. We have the, and let's come to the activity. So instance with no activity for over 10 days, it will be climbed back to the pool. If you don't open your instance continuously 10 days, the service now will take this instance to their pool. Then you can't access this instance. So try to open at least once in a well, okay, the every 10 days we have to open, and then you can then only your instance will be. If you don't open after 5 days, they will send an a reminder note emails to you. Your instance is knows with no activity last 4 5 days. Then after 10 days they will take back to this. Then you can't access this instance. So you will lose whatever that practice you have done. You will lose. So try to open every 3 days, 4 days, everything. So, okay, then your instance will be with you only. Okay, and here you can see if you want to see your profile and if you want to click on the sign out, here you can see the email, everything here. Okay, this is all about the you have in the developerservicenow.com site. Okay, if you have any doubt and just go through this, and if you have any doubt, we can discuss in the further class. Okay, okay, now come to here the ServiceNow. Are you following me, guys? So if I am going speed, just tell me. I'll go slow, little. Okay. Okay. So this is our personal developer instance interface. Okay. The same interface is also if you are accessing your any organization instance also, the layout, everything, the the looks, everything is same. Okay. That just to URL, you can see that like if you are working for IBM, you can see IBM dot servicenow-com. If you are working for Infosys, Infosys dot servicenow. Like this, it will be there when you are working for organization. So whatever practice you have done, it will be help for you when you got a job opportunity in your any organization. Okay. So this is the one of the great that help ServiceNow is doing us. You can practice all the things in here, and you can get a job very easily. Okay. Now Let's talk about the interface of the service now. Here we have the three categories. So first one is the, you can see the black color one, it is, we call it as a header. Okay, we call it as a header. And the below one, entire the creator studio, everything is, we have the content studio. Okay, content, we can see the all the content view. Okay, whatever that records data, everything we can see. And we have the another another module. Here we have the, once you click on the all, here you can see this is, we call it as a filter navigation. Whatever that application service now is giving to you, you can access them all the applications here. Okay, these are the all out of the box application service now is given to you. Okay, you can see all applications. If whatever that applications you want to search, like I'm going to search with the incident. So if you type incident now, it will give the all applications where the incident keyword is matched. So this is the incident application here we have. So if you want to make this bookmark, add incident to favorites, you can click on the bookmark. You can done now. Okay. So let's go to favorites. In the favorites, whatever that bookmarks you have saved, you can see them here. Okay. So every time you don't need to search anything here. So directly you can go to the favorites. Here you can see the all the bookmarks are available here. If you want to make like a, I'm going to make it as a dashboard as a bookmark. You can click on the done. Go to the dashboard. Here you can see self-service dashboards are available. If you want to remove them, you can click on the cross X function and then symbol. You can remove this. It will be removed from your favorites tab. Okay, so like that you can use the favorites tabs. Okay, and in the all, we have the all applications, whatever the service applications we have it, you can use it as a filter navigation. You here you can see, and refresh, and here you can see, if you want to pin all menu, it will be looks like this. So every time you don't need to open here, service now, the frame will be fixed here. Okay, if you want to remove this, you can unpin all menu. Then whenever you click on all, then only you can see the all applications here. Okay, and favorites, you can see the whatever that favorites we have added. Every time you don't need to search, you can add them here, and you can every day you can follow this. And let's talk about the history tab. So history tab means it is like our browser history. So whatever that recent activities you did in the service now, you can see them here. So recently you opened incidents, right? So you can see them. Once you click on the incident, it will take to the incidents. Like this, it will show the recent some 20 activities. There is some count is there. So if I open some context, some topics, so now I open, right? Now if you go to history, now you can see topics 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. Depends upon when you access the last item, you can see them. Okay, like this, history tab will help us to find the recent activity, what you have done in our tab in. Okay, and come to the workspaces. So ServiceNow is providing some workspaces. So I will explain when the related topics come. So these are the latest features since last 2 years. They have ServiceNow is provided us. Okay, it is a separate workspaces for the agents who work on the incidents. Okay. Okay, let's come here. This is the banner icon. Whatever that form you have opened, you can see them. Now we are in a home page, right? Now it is showing service now. But if you open some different one, you can see the topics. It is showing the topics. So based on the form table, whatever the table you have opened, you can see this related topics. If you open some incidents, now you can see here incident. So based on the page you have opened, you can see the related one. If you want to create the favorite from here also, you can create that one. Okay. Let's come to the search box. It is like a global search. So whatever information you required from the service now here, you can search here. If you have some any text, anything here, okay, like so if you give some software text here, it will show the related topics or articles or records, anything it will show here. You can see the all activities and incident records are available. It will like a global search. You can get the you can see incidents are there, change requests are there, change tasks are there, problem records. These are the different records matching with this software keyword. Okay. Let's come to here the global icon. So here you can see that there are service. Now we have the application scope. Okay, now service now normally we have the two scopes. One is the global scope, another one is the custom scope. So in global, for the security reasons, we create a custom scope depends upon the application. If you want to create some application which is like a secure, others cannot access this application, only the few persons, and depends upon the other applications also cannot access this application. So like this, if you want to create, you can use the custom one. By default, normally we use these global applications. I will discuss about in the upcoming classes what is the here you can see the update set. This is also very, I mean, regularly we use these topics. So if you want to promote the customization, if you want to move the customizations from one instance to another instance, we use this one. Okay, that I will discuss in the upcoming classes. Okay, here you can see the slide bar discussion. If you want to have the some discussion with your colleagues and in the leaker, you can have the some discussion. We can start the discussion. We can see the discussions here. Whatever the discussion happens here, we can see them. Okay, and here you can see the show help. So if you are opening some any, let's say if I open the incidents, I'm opening the incident. If I click on the show help, it will show the incidents related topic, incident management process, create incident. If I click on the incident management, it will take to the related topic. It will take to the documentation site. Okay, so that's why you use this help center. Depend whatever the form you have opened, if you click on this, it will show the related topic here. Okay, and let's talk about the show notifications. It is like a notification in mobile. We get right whenever we have the some WhatsApp messages or Facebook comments or Instagram likes. Do we get a notifications on the mobile screen like this? We also you will get the some notifications whenever somebody updated your record, somebody answered your question. You will get a notifications on the here. Okay, you can from here. Okay, let's start. Last one is the profile icon. So the person who has logged in, they can see their information here. Here you can see now we are an admin, right? And by default we logged in with the system administrator. And here you can see the profile. Profile means in the profile we can see the information about the first name, last name, email ID. So here you can see this is the user record. Okay. So the persons who wants to access this personal developer instance, their record must be created as like a user in this system. So here you can see the first name is system administration, last name is administrator. Okay, and email ID, date format, time zone, from which time zone he works. Okay, now if I want to change this, you can change this service now training. So like this we can change the one, and mobile number, everything we can update here. If I update this one, now you can see that. 1 minute, let me refresh the screen. Okay. Oh, 1 minute. I mistakenly closed this one. So now we updated his first name and last name, right? Now you can see service now training, you can see, and his title is system administrator, and his service now. Okay, and here we can see the preferences. So if you want to customize something in our personal display, okay, and these are options are available. So I will tell you whenever we require this form. Okay, and here first thing we can see the theme. So here we have the only two themes are available. One is default and another one is a dark one. So it will change the entire color combination of your, it will display it will change that one. Okay. If you want to only two, dark one is there and default one is there. If you want to update this dark one. So here you can see that color got changed here. Black color. If you select this one, so you can see the white color. Default change. So and you can see the language and region. So date format, if you now with the date format here it is year, month. If you want to change it to something, you can change this one. And time zone. So by ServiceNow is the American based company, right? By default, Los Angeles will be selected. If you want to change it to some Asia, we have, right, Kolkata. Some. So whatever the region it is near to India, you can select this one. Okay. Normally I don't change this one, so let it be because it is a personal developer instance only, right? So we don't require. So if you want to change it now, you can change it. Okay. And here we have the keyboard shortcuts are available. So whenever you have that any, if you want to use this them, you can come and you can show this one. Okay. So here you can see open favorites menu, right? If I type Control Alt F, you see automatic without using mouse, I open the favorites. So like this, we have the keyboard shortcuts here. Okay, you can use once you are familiar with the service now. Okay. And here we have the impersonate user. This is the one of the great feature available in the service now. Let's take example. So somebody is created an issue with you, said some applications I'm not able to see, something is not working. So normally what you do, if you are working in the same office, then what you do, you just go to his system. You ask him to show the how the issue is happened. Okay, sometimes he is available, sometimes he may not be available. So in this case, what you do, you can click on the impersonate user. Impersonate user means you can log in with another user without his password and username. So then what you do, you can type his name like a Abel Tutor. He is one of your teammate or your company user. So you can click on his name and you can select the impersonate user. Okay, directly you will be logged in into your login, his login. Now you can see able tutor, so you can check it has access levels, and you can whatever that application he's saying, you can check them. Okay, with his login, and you can you can try to reproduce the issue, whatever issue he is facing, and then you can take confirmation without reaching the customer for the asking for the. But you should not create any records, only you can verify the functionality. Okay, everything will be tracked, who impersonated, who did created record. But for to validate this functionality in the in the development and UAT environments. In the production, you should not do this one. Okay. So if you once you're done your work, if you want to go back to your login, just click on the end impersonation. Otherwise, if you want to log in with, if you want to check impersonate with other user, you can click on this. Otherwise, if you're done, okay, you can click on this end impersonation. Okay. Now so elevators now it is not required. So it is enables the additional features for the this login and print friendly version. You can click on this to print the friendly version. Okay. Now, okay, let's talk about the basic administration task. So now, once your company has subscribed, first initial thing is they will change this ServiceNow logo. This is the logos of the ServiceNow company. So first thing they will change this company. They will put their own company logo here. Okay, if you're IBM using, you can see the IBM logo here. If you are using Infosys, you can see. So to change this logo, so what we do, we just go to this basic. Administration, basic configuration, UI 16 we use. So, so this is the page we can configure your colors and the feature, that logos, everything. Here you can see page header, caption, service management, and browser tab, service no, like this we can manufacture. Here also we can see this system time zone for all users. Okay, you can configure the, if you want to change it, you can change it the for this is for overall the global users. Okay, and here we have the banner image for UI 16. So if you want to change the logo for this, let me go to this any like IBM logo I want to. So if I want to put this logo, just I'm saving this record. So here what you do, banner image, you can update this one. IBM logo here. Once you're done, you can, okay, something is, this is the, I want to download the in a JPEG format. Okay, let me try this one. PNG, okay, PNG also it's okay. Now, okay. Yeah, see now the logo got changed. Please update complete. Please save and commit. Okay, now if I save this, okay, now I will refresh this screen. See now company logo is IBM. You can see this one. Okay, here once in the below you can see Servicenow service management. If you want to update them, here you can update them. Okay, like a Servicenow training. Okay, like this we can update that. Okay, now if you put the mouse over here, you can see Servicenow service management. Servicenow training should come. Okay, let me refresh. You have to refresh the browser, then only the latest changes will be applied. Okay, now if you put, you can see Servicenow training. Here it is. If you want to update the browser tab title, you can update. So and a date format and the time format 24 hours or 12 hours. And here you can see the header background color. Now it is black color, right? If you want to update to something else, you can update. If you want to, yeah. And banner text color you can update, and header, everything updated. But normally we don't work on these activities because whenever the service now is purchased in the first session, they will update this all this configure. But if you are better to know how we customize this everything, okay, in my experience I never get a chance to update this basic configuration properties, because whenever service now is purchased by your company, they will make the changes in the first session only. Okay, so once you click on here, it will take to you to the home page of that your service now. Okay, for today, you can see, you can try to create the new account in developer instance, and to try to create the new developer instance. Okay, personal developer instance you can give. Normally we call it as a PDI, personal developer instance. Okay, and if you want, if you have any doubts now, you can type the if you want to know the process by service now, you can type this. Mm, Instance. So you can service now create. So here you can see you get the documentation how to create the personal developer instance. Here you can see this here. Just whatever question you have, you can type and it will take to you to the personal developer that guide. Okay, just what they are asking, click on the service now developer. In the header, click on the request instance button. Okay, after that you select the release. For this, click on the request button. Okay, so like this, you can obtain your ServiceNow personal developer instance. Okay, for this session, you just practice this session. Tomorrow, I'm going to create next session, user administration, how to create the new users and what are the roles and groups. I will explain that tomorrow class. Okay, till now, any doubts, guys? Any doubts?
No,
Yeah,
no, all good.
no good. Akhil, what about Akhil? Do you have any questions?
Actually, uh, like this is the
I don't, I'm not new to this technology. I don't know anything about it completely. So is
Okay.
this basics or
Yeah, this is the first class of this
yeah,
session.
yeah, I thought yeah, that's the thing I need to ask.
Okay,
Thanks.
okay. And if you want to know the demo now, you can get the recording from our institute. You can call the admin
Okay.
department. They will share the recorded video of the demo. So
Yeah,
then you
okay.
will get the background knowledge of what is service now, everything. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw the demo class as well. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So if you have any doubts now, you can reach out to me. You can ask now.
Yeah, sure. Thanks. That's it.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thanks.
So yeah, we will meet tomorrow at the same time at 9 a.m. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.